welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how hamburgers are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Ensure the temperature is logged before it moves to the next bay.
Achieving the perfect grind is crucial. We carefully balance the fat and meat ratio, typically an 80-20 mix.
I'm bringing the temperature down by 5 degrees now.
Acknowledge.
Each patty is formed and cooked to exact specifications. Every hamburger is carefully inspected before distribution.
And that's how hamburgers are made. Frisch or Mäßig, from start to finish.